Hi, this is Dr. Bagai from Smart Smile Dental, and we get a lot of questions about what is Invisalign, how does it work, how is the patient's experience with it. I'm going to go over some of these things today to help answer all your questions. Invisalign is basically orthodontic treatment. It's moving your teeth, but without braces, without wires, without rubber bands, and it's just a set of trays with which you can actually move your teeth, and it's very comfortable for the patients. Invisalign is clear and it can hardly be seen even at close distance, as opposed to brackets and braces, which is a mouthful of metal, and most patients actually hate it. It can be faster because we get more patient compliance, the brackets don't break, the wires don't break, and the whole process is pretty seamless, where the patients are wearing the trays, changing it at home themselves. They don't need to come in as often as with braces. So yes, it goes faster. Invisalign is more comfortable than braces because, all the hardware is missing, the wires, the brackets, the rubber bands. It's a mouthful of metal, and it's just generally very unnatural with traditional braces. And with Invisalign, you're just wearing some trays, and that's it. Usually, it depends on the severity of the bite, but it's anywhere usually like a year or a year and a half too. Basically, we just take your photos and we scan you. We do not have to put a bunch of goop in your mouth to take impressions or anything like that. So the process of taking the records is really easy. We just go ahead and we scan you and take photos and your x-rays, and we then design your case, and then you come in and get your trays on. Every case is different on how many trays you will need for the Invisalign. It depends on case to case. But on an average, you change the trays out every 2 weeks. So depending on your length of treatment, that's how many trays you would get. If you have a whole bunch of gum disease or cavities or something, though, that needs to be treated first. So you would not be disqualified, but we need to make you healthy before we do your Invisalign. I hope we've been able to answer all your questions on Invisalign today. We would love to see you for a free consultation to answer questions specific to you. Give us a call today at 714-744-1242 to schedule your free consultation.